Welcome everyone to the pitch day of AstroLabs Academy Incubator program. Today is a final session of what we call Academy Incubator program, which is a program for alumni of our digital marketing program at AstroLabs Academy. Last 5 weeks, they work on a project for a specific brand. They try to create a digital marketing plan for that brand. I will hand over the stage to team CoinCrowd.
CoinCrowd is a social networking platform dedicated to the blockchain and crypto community, providing all necessary information on one platform. The main goal of CoinCrowd is to achieve 1,000 installs within 1 month of the launch of the platform.
This is just a potential audience size based on our research.
We decided to suggest and to use the long tail search engine optimization strategy.
I will be presenting, as Lucas said, the digital marketing plan for Automagic. Automagic is a complete route accounting, delivery management, and e-pod solution for wholesale and van sales businesses. Our goal was to identify Automagic's target customers and their needs, and clearly define and present them the value Automagic's products can bring to their operations, and then create a digital marketing plan to increase awareness of their products, generate demand and leads that will eventually lead to profits and revenue. It has an existing pool of very rich content.
We are team Dressos, and this is our digital marketing plan. Dressos is a retail fashion platform. The main objective is to increase conversions. We are aiming to have target each stage with social media ads and Google search ads. We also feel influencer marketing can really help with awareness and interest.
You guys did amazing job. You've made amazing progress from 5 weeks ago.
Thank you very much for actually organizing this AstroLabs Incubator. It was really helpful. Thank you very much for the guidance.
Thank you, AstroLabs.
A huge congratulations. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for all the effort.